Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch to an iPhone. First, power on your Huawei Watch by pressing and holding the side button for a few seconds until the logo appears. Next, open the Apple App Store on your iPhone and search for the Huawei Health application. Download and install it. Before proceeding, please ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on and ready for pairing. Once the Huawei Health application is installed, open it on your iPhone. You will need to log in with your Huawei ID. If you do not have one, simply follow the on-screen instructions to register for a new account. It is important to grant all requested permissions, especially for integrating with Apple Health Kit, to ensure full functionality and data synchronization between your watch and iPhone. With the app configured, go to the Devices tab at the bottom of the Huawei Health application. Tap on Add Device, and the app will begin searching for nearby Huawei watches. Select your specific watch model from the displayed list. A pairing request will then appear on both your Huawei Watch and your iPhone. Confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. After successful pairing, you can now manage your watch settings. Within the Huawei Health application, enable notification access for the specific apps you wish to receive alerts from on your watch. For a stable and consistent connection, it is recommended to keep the Huawei Health application running in the background on your iPhone. You can also personalize your watch by changing watch faces and adjusting other preferences through the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.